What's up, everybody? It's Brent at Tentrax. We're at the MOORE Expo here. I am at the Dirtbound Offroad booth. So Dirtbound is out of Minnesota. They make a lot of really awesome off-road bumpers, rock sliders for Jeeps, for Tacomas. Some really awesome products. One of the coolest things they have is a mid-rise bed rack here. So they have it on a Tacoma, and we got an old tent on here that they're wanting to upgrade. So we got a Tentrax Rooftop tent. It's gonna go right on here in the middle of the show. So here we are. I'm gonna film. These guys are gonna do all the work. So you can see their mid-rise roof rack here. It's pretty cool. Pretty much one size fits all. It'll fit medium-sized truck all the way up to a 1-ton truck bed. Adjustable here with the bed width itself, all powder coated, and you can see here the attachments going right into the stock Toyota mounts there. And on the top, makes it a lot easier for installing rooftop tents. You got some mounting slots. So here's our rooftop tent. This is the same one we use on our trailers. We also sell separately, and has telescoping ladder, rainfly, waterproof, 3-inch foam mattress, some upgraded hinge hardware and fabric wrap poles. So we really kind of stepped it up a little bit when we made these rooftop tents. We spent a little bit of time this morning getting it all set up, the rails mounted, and it is ready to go in the taco. Hey, all right. So sliding right on. The rails are, what do we say, 32 inches apart, about.
You're fine.
All right, so you know how to use those guys, right?
Yep.
We got the mounts that slide straight into the extruded bars. So if you pop those plastic caps off the end,
Probably better slide the front one on.
you can actually, you might be able to do it just from one side. Just kind of slide them all the way through. Perfect. So the tents do come with a little saddle bracket that you can go over a normal cross rails. But what's nice about using a rack like Dirtbound sells is you can just drop them straight down into the holes, into the slots they have. So you only use one bolt per corner. Ends up being a lot more stable, a lot easier to tighten down.
Ladies and gentlemen, come on down to the East Hall. Check out the MOORE Expo merch table. We have flashing prices right now. We have some great materials down here.
So this tent is 56 inches wide. It's a 2+ person. It's really about 2.5 people, so it's a lot of room for 2 people. We sleep with our 4-year-old daughter or our dog in it, so you get a good amount of space. Definitely comfortable, and we spec'd out definitely some higher grade materials. It's all sealed, seam seals, tape seals on all the seams, so it's super waterproof. It's waterproof even without the rainfly, but the rainfly is kind of a cool look to it and pretty cool design once we get it open here.
It is way later.
All right, just tighten these up. This is Max, the owner of Dirtbound. We got Eric, Jerry, and Sandra. You're over here working while they're just playing around, right?
Just supervise. Gotta keep them in line.
Good, good.
On track.
It's necessary. So you can see we have a telescoping ladder here. It attaches, kind of keeps that still. And what we'll do is I'll actually lower the ladder down. That'll kind of help us open up the tent. Max, if you can jump up there, pull the just pull the two little clips on that ladder and pull it towards you. There we go.
Pull it down.
Yeah, just pull it down and then towards you. There we go. All right, so we got our rain fly up here. This thing's been out in some 0-degree weather overnight, but still looking good. So we can get the rain fly poles attached if you want to. There you go. Hey. Look at this guy.
Expo.
Yeah, we got Chris here.
Doing?
Oh, we're doing good, man.
Yeah? What do you got going on there?
So this is the Tentrax Rooftop tent. We've got Max here at Dirtbound who wanted to replace his tent, something a little different style.
Yeah?
And
Newer.
yeah, a little newer, a little lighter weight.
I love the color.
The weight difference. We pulled the other one off, but this one's a lot lighter going back on. So
Really?
It's gonna save on that weight.
Yeah, that'd be nice going home. The ladder's super nice too, man. This thing's fantastic.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
I like the, does it have windows up top?
Yeah, so you got a window, you got a skylight on top.
No
What's
way.
cool about this rainfly is it actually comes out so you get a lot of light coming in with the big window.
The longer ones for the.
See, that's the
sizer.
problem
Yeah,
that I have
exactly.
with my rooftop tent is
A little bit too
when I'm
dark.
up there, I can see like out the windows, but I can't see anything else in the campground or
That's a good point.
wherever I'm at. It's kind of nice when you wake up by the creek to be able to see the creek.
Yeah.
that
So
go?
if you,
Fantastic.
thanks a lot. So if you just slip it in there through the,
Oh, the hole.
yeah, through here, and then right in the middle of that hinge, there's a little small hole.
Okay.
It's kind of hard to do while I'm videoing, actually. You want to hold the phone? Alright, so there's a hole right there. This will pull the rain fly out. It's always easier to kind of put the holes in the bottom first, and then we'll do the other corners. Yeah. Yep, grab those. So that was Chris. He's in charge of this whole operation, and he's done an awesome job with the MOORE Expo. We've really been impressed. This is our first year. This is the second year of the event. They've already doubled in size, and you can see this is only about a third of the show in this building. So some really good vendors, some really cool vehicles. We got a Sherp right here. Got some friends at American Adventure Labs. Tons of really cool stuff. We'll do a little walk around later. Lots of good trailers, tent manufacturers, and then on the other side there's two entire separate halls. So again, here's Dirtbound, and we're gonna be working with Dirtbound on our shop Comanche. So we've got a 89 Comanche that we're gonna build up, do some rock landing, overlanding, rock crawling. Gonna be using some of their bumpers, rock sliders. They have a really cool, they're one of the few that makes a really nice bumper for the Comanche. And pretty interesting too, the Comanche and the Tacoma have pretty much the same bed size. So a lot of the racks that work with the Tacoma, like their mid-rise rack here, you'll be able to use on the Comanche. Kind of get a little old school, cheap action there. Running out of space right there. Here, I'll get that one if you want. And I'll, you want to do a little walk around, Max? Okay.
The roof there, not let me do it.
Yeah, well, I think once it bends up, it'll be good. So anyway, this is our rooftop tent. So we like
I know.
the big windows.
Oh, you had me really good that.
We like the big windows. So these windows, you either have mesh, or you can open the mesh, even have it totally open. Condensation vents. But what's cool is if you got, say you're somewhere where it's raining, you don't have a big closed-in window and an awning over it that just makes everything super dark and closed in. You can still get a lot of light in. You still get the light coming in through the rainfly. You get a little cover if you're on the side of the tent or the back of the truck here. And we have a skylight up in the top as well. So we'll open that up in a little bit. Yeah, and I mean even here coming out of the passenger door or the driver door of the truck there, you can get some coverage. So
How long was that? 10 minutes?
oh, it wasn't bad at all. I don't have a timer here, but yeah, it was probably only about 6 or 8 minutes. Yeah, not too bad. You guys did a good job. Cool. Very good. Awesome job. We'll post some pictures up. Thanks again, everybody.